Good morning to our lecturer, Puan Siti Hawa, and good morning to our lecturer, Puan Siti Hawa, and my fellow friends from DEM to B. We are from Group 3. In this group, there are 4 group members, which is me, Aiman bin Anwar.
And
My
me,
matrix number is 01 DEM 21 F1044.
and me, Muhammad Fauzat Azri bin Muhammad Jizan, with matrix number 01 DEM 21 F1046.
And me, Muhammad Al-Aiman bin Muhammad Ali. The metric number is 01 DEM 21 F1045.
And me, Muhammad Aiman bin Fakri, my matrix number 01 DEM 21 F1067.
Today, our group will present about differentiation in chapter 2, engineering mathematics. So we will start now.
Introduction of differentiation. Differentiation is used in solving problems, especially in engineering, medical, agriculture, architecture, commerce, business, and others. The differentiation begins when you find the change of rate of a quantity with respect to another quantity. For example, dy over dx is the differentiation of y respect to x. It also can be written as f bracket x. There is another concept of differentiation that we can apply, such as in displacement and velocity. Velocity is differentiation of displacement, symbol s. Unsur time, symbol t, will be written as ds over dt. Besides, acceleration, symbol a, is the differentiation of velocity, symbol v, unto time, symbol t, and written as dv over dt.
Application of differentiation in real life can use to calculate the profit and loss in business using graph.
As you can see, this is the example graph for profit and loss in business. Okay, Fauzan, can you tell me what the others application of differentiation in real life?
So another example for application of differentiation in real life is used by an electrical engineer, such as to determine the change of current in an electrical circuit with respect to time. For example, dL over dt to the rate of change of current, where L is the current and T is the time.
I is the current.
I is the current.
Next application of differentiation in real life, we can determine speed or distance covered, such as miles per hour and kilometer per hour. For example, speed in symbol S, differentiation of distance in symbol D with respect to time in symbol T. So this is an example picture for the speed or distance.
The example question is the graph of a curve with equation is y equal to 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 7.
Okay, Aiman Fakri, can you start solving this equation?
So firstly, use differentiation to find expression for dy over dx. So equation y equal to 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 7. We can to
Start
differentiate.
differentiate.
We start to differentiate. You
dy
you
over
get
dx.
dy over dx equal to 9x square plus 4x minus 5. Then second step, find the coordinate of any stationary point on the curve.
We differentiate dy over dx equal to 0. Then
So
with using EQN calculation in calculator from equation 9x square plus 4x minus 5, we got x equal to 9 over 9, 5 over 9, and then second x we get negative 1. So
So to get y, we must change the x to 5 over 9. So when x equal 5 over 9,
we substitute
substitute into the
y equation.
our equation. So the result we got 1301 over 243 for 5 over 9. And for negative 1, we got 11 as a y.
Okay. The stationary points that the graph have are 2. So there are only 2 stationary points, which is point number 1, we get x 5 over 9, then y is 1301 over 243. For the stationary point number 2 is the x is negative 1 and the y is 11. So the next step, we need to determine y-intercept point. Then the x is equal to 0. So we substitute x into equation y. We got y equal to 3 bracket 0 and then power of 3 plus 2 bracket 0 power of 2 and then minus 5 bracket 0 plus 7 and then we got 7. So we have determined the y-intercept point. So we got x 0, y 7.
So the next step is to determine the nature of any stationary point you find in C. Justify the answer. So the dy dx is equal to 9x squared plus 4x minus 5. We double differentiate it, so it will become d square y over dx is equal to 18x plus 4. So when x equal to 5 over 9, we substitute the value of x into the equation.
Double
So we
differentiate.
double differentiate d square y over dx equal to 18 bracket 5 over 9 plus 4. So we got 14 for the mean point. Next, when x is equal to negative 1, d squared y over dx equal to 18 bracket negative 1 plus 4. It is equal to negative 14. It is for the max point.
Okay, thank you, Aiman. Then, Aiman Fakri, can you tell us the last step for this problem? What we need to do?
So last step, sketch the graph of the curve from equation y equal 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 7. So you can get this graph.
Okay. Thank you, Aiman. So the summary of differentiation, can you tell us what it is, Fauzan?
So the summary of differentiation, first, to find the differentiation of y, we must respect to x. The second one, the gradient at a point on a curve is defined as the gradient of the tangent at the point. The third one is the process of finding the gradient function is called differentiating. And the last point is the rule for differentiating terms of the form y equal ax power of n is dy over dx equal anx n negative 1. That's
Okay,
it.
the conclusion of differentiation. In conclusion, differentiation is a method of finding the derivative of a function. We could apply this method into our real life, and it helps us to find the answer for derivative of a function. It also helps to develop the development of our country. Now we have a Q&A session. So in this session, we have 4 questions and 4 answers from us. So number one, find the derivative for the following function. This question will be solved by alignment.
So the first question is y equal to bracket 2 negative 3x square multiply x plus 1. So for this question, we will use the product rule. So we have to find the u first. So u is equal to bracket 2 negative 3x square. We differentiate the u, so it will become 2 bracket 2 negative 3x multiply negative 3. The answer is negative 6 bracket 2 negative 3x. Next, we find the v. The v is equal to x plus 1. We differentiate the v, that will become 1. Next, we put the value into the equation. So dy over dx equal to u dv over dx plus v du dx du over dx equal to bracket 2 negative 3x square multiply 1 plus bracket x plus 1 multiply negative 6 to negative 3x. So we will get 2 negative 3x bracket 2 negative 3x plus x plus 1 multiply negative 6. For the final answer, we will get 2 negative 3x bracket 2 minus negative 3x and bracket negative 9x negative 4.
Okay, thank you, alignment. Question number 2 is the parametric equations are given as x equal to 5 exponential 3t and y equal to t power of 2 minus t. Determine determine the dy of the differentiate dy over dx. So we use a parametric equation. Firstly, we need to solve each question x and y. So the equation x, we have to solve in exponential equation. So we differentiate it dx with respect to time. So dx over dt equal to 15 exponential 3t, and then we differentiate it, it will become 1 over 15 exponential 3t. We and then I have already changed the place from dx. We bring it to the down, and then dt we bring up. So next step, we solve the y equation. 3 3t power of 2 minus t. So we differentiate it, t respect to x. So dt over dx, we got 6t minus 1. Okay, and then we arrange the equation, the formula dy over dx equal to dy over dt multiply with dt over dx. So we put the numbers into the equation. We got dy over dx equal to 60 minus 1, and then we multiply with 1 over 15 exponential 3t. And then the final answer is dy over dx 60 minus 1 over 15 exponential 3t. That's all. Okay.
The third question is derivative of trigonometric function. So we got y equal to 3 times bracket x squared plus minus 5. So use the differentiate dy over dx equal to 3 sec square. Yeah, bracket x squared minus 5 close bracket and bracket 2x. So the answer is 6x set square open bracket x square minus 5. That's all for trigonometric function.
Okay, last question will be given to Aiman Fakri. Loan equation.
Macam mana ni? Y equal to loan bracket 1 minus 4x divide 3 over 3. You can get y equal 1.3 loan bracket 1 minus 4x. So you
So
apa?
differentiate.
You need to differentiate equal to 1.3 bracket 1 over 1 minus 4x bracket minus 4, and the answer minus 4 over 3 bracket 1 minus 4x.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for watching.
And